Imagine this, an AI agent running on your system, writing your code, organizing your files, browsing the web, gets compromised.
A malicious script is injected. It bypasses your basic antivirus, escalates privileges, and starts exfiltrating your data. The entire attack takes exactly 3 seconds.
When do you think you'll notice something is wrong? Today? Tomorrow? The next week? By the time a human realizes that something is wrong, the damage has already been done. You need a security shield that reacts in seconds, not in weeks. That's why I built StealthNode. It's an AI-driven SOC analyst built specifically for normal users and developers. And yes, it does react in seconds. Usually only big corporations have dedicated security operations center, which is a room full of analysts watching logs 24 by 7 to help prevent hacking. This is what I wanted to put on your local machine. But how? The StealthNode agent, which is a very small agent, sits silently on your local machine and triggers up a flare whenever it detects something weird. Okay, so here is how it works. We made a very secure event-driven architecture for the whole system. What you have to do is you have to only install the installer.ps1 that we provide. What it will do is it will open a FastMCP and a Wazuh agent on your local machine, and they will be automatically restarted on every boot. And then whenever something weird happens, the Wazuh agent will send the logs to the Wazuh server, which will detect if the threat is real or not using our own custom rule sets. Then if the threat is detected, then we push it to a queue, which then spins up a modal serverless sandbox to execute the Claude code, and we inject the FastMCP URL, which is 100% secure using our custom Cloudflare tunnel network. Then we provide it to the Claude code, and in MCP we currently have three tools. One is of OS query, one is to disable the users, like if a weird user is detected, and one is to execute certain allowed system commands so that the Claude doesn't nuke off your operating system, right? We have a custom dedicated set of commands that we allow. So then the Claude code will execute all the commands, generate a detailed report, and send you the report on the email. Currently, StealthNode is strictly an MVP and is available only to Windows user under beta. But we are working very fast to make it available for everyone, and hopefully it will be available very soon to everyone including Mac and Linux. Also, we are planning to add security SLMs to prevent attacks like prompt injection and infiltration into your local AI agents like Claude Cowork and OpenClaw. So please stay tuned for the launch. Something big is coming.